create multiple postcard. So how can we create multiple postcard? So हमको कैसा पता कि कितना पोस्ट कार्ड क्रिएट करना है? So हमको कैसा पता? Okay, first we'll just remove this because we don't need this. हमको कैसा पता चलेगा कितना क्रिएट करना है? Because we have our post, all post inside the post. So we will just map our post. Map, but how does map work? Map will run for each component, each object inside the array. मतलब अभी मेरे पास एक array में 6 numbers है. So if I will map the array, if I write array.map, then it will run for 6 times for each number. So this is like a for each loop. So हम लोगों को लूप अगर नहीं पता तो लूप क्या होता है? हम कुछ रिपीटेडली रन करने के लिए टास्क वी यूज टू रिपीट द टास्क मल्टीपल टाइम्स. सो हम लूप में 3-4 टाइप का लूप यूज करते हैं. वन इज योर फाइल लूप, वन इज योर फॉर लूप. वहां पे हम एक लिमिट डालते हैं विच इज आवर लेंथ ऑफ द अरे. सो हमारे पास एलिमेंट है 10 तो हम 10 बार रन करेंगे. हमारे पास एलिमेंट है 20 तो हम 20 बार रन करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हमको लिमिट डालने का जरूरत नहीं है. मैप विल ऑटोमेटिकली get the length of the array and it will run until the array items are finished. So पहला खत्म हुआ, दूसरा फिर आ गया each, then तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा, छठा. जैसे ही 6 नंबर वाला आइटम आया, that means all the items have been finished executing. So next it won't run again. So this is like your for each loop. So for each item it will run once. So how to do that? We'll just add a curly braces here. Inside it, we'll add post dot map. Just inside the map, you have to use an arrow function. Inside the arrow function, just put your postcard. Done. We have created our mapping. What we have to do, we'll go for each, and this each will have each element from the post. For the first time, the each will have the first element. Second time, the each will have the second element. Third time, the each will have the third element. So अभी के लिए हम लोग इसको रन करके देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. ओके, तो अभी के लिए हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे डाल दिया है each टाइम. सो ओके, so what's happening now? Okay, all post data. Inside all post data, we have set post create. Add the post, then with the post map, then each I equals to okay, then it's not creating. Okay, so this here. Okay, this here is the curly braces. See, so what was the issue was here? The issue here was कि मैंने यहाँ पे arrow function create किया था. When I put a curly braces here, I can't write a component directly like this. What I have to do? I have to use return. So when I will use return, then it will return the postcard. So see, now it will work fine. So if you want to write like this, you can use curly braces. Then you have to return a component here. If you don't want to write return, so just remove return and remove the curly braces also. So you don't need the curly braces. Also, you don't need to use return. So now we don't need this key also. So now we have each. So inside each data, we are getting name, ID, title, description, and timestamp. So what we'll do, we'll send here post data equals to your each. So we have sent the post data to this postcard. Inside this postcard, now we'll get our post data. So we got our post data here. What we will do now, we'll just copy. So here under post data, learn post data dot name dot char at 0. So what I did inside the avatar, I just displayed the first character of the name. So what it will do, it will get the post data dot name, then char at 0 will display the first character. This is a JavaScript function. Post data dot name is blank. Same for here. Post data question mark post data dot time. What is it? Time stamp. Timestamp colon blank. The name is done. Then we will go for the title one. Paste question mark paste. Then post data dot title. So we get the title here or blank. Just repeat this. Blank. So why we need to write this post data question mark every time? So if I don't write this and if we send a post data blank by mistakenly for any reason, if we are unable to send any post data or inside the post data there will be no name, then what will happen? Post data the title or post data dot name, whichever will not present in the post data, it will throw an error like you want to use title of undefined, means our post data is undefined. So we have to every time validate our post data. If the post data is null, then we can't use name, we can't use null dot name, we can't use null dot title. So these all will show error. So each time we have to use post data question mark to validate if the post data is non null. If we get a null value, then we'll show it. Then done. Let's see. Okay, so what I will do now, I have placed a postcard here for testing. I will remove that. So see, so we got all the posts here. Hi Melody, इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है? Hi hello, hi hello, hi hello, hi hello, hi hello, hi hello, hi hello. कितना hi hello चाहिए? खाली hi hello ही क्या है? Hi yes. So this is all about post. But the thing is here, जब भी हम कोई भी चीज मैप कर रहे हैं उसमें हमको एक की सेट करना पड़ता है. What is that key? So inside each we'll get an I. It is our item count. Item count. So item position. So this is our item position. So we have to pass the item position in the key. Otherwise, we'll get a warning here that every child should have a key property. So see, no warnings now. See all the posts here. So in the next class, we will show a loader here, like circular loader here, until the post is being loaded. So when the post is loaded, it will just remove the loader and show all the posts. And same we will do for all the users. Also, we will add a button here in the profile card to add the post, or you can add the button here also inside all the post layout. So we can add it for our post addition. Next, so if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, so we'll be unmuting everyone. If you have any doubt, just ask. We have 3 minutes left. Okay. So Sarada, you had doubt that okay, you can ask how we can add. What does each do exactly? What to do to put a picture on them? Just add a picture at the time of adding a post. If you add a picture, it will show. Then what does each do exactly? Okay, so how does each work? So our post has 5 elements. Okay, suppose our post has 5 elements. So I will do the post.map, then it will run for 5 times. So how I will access the element on each run through this each object. So the each object, inside the each object, I will get every single element inside the array. So for the first time, I will get the first element inside each. For the second time, I will get the second element. So जैसे जैसे करके ये loop run होता जाएगा, every time I will get the element. So item position will be 0 for the first time. In the next class, we will print the each and item position to get a clear view. Today we are short of time. So in the next class, we'll just recap this map thing before starting the session. So we don't have time now. So if you have any issues, you can text me and you can text Guru also. Okay, so post all the videos. Yes, the videos will be posted today.